Hello friends, today we are going to learn a new topic. The topic name is Amazon and Ganga Brahmaputra Basin. My name is Randir Vikram. So without wasting time, let's get start. First we are going to know about the location. There was some technical issue. First we are going to know about the location. As you can see the first picture, it is the boundary blue and yellow. It is marked the Amazon basin. The Amazon basin is a part of the South America drained by the Amazon River and its tributaries. The Amazon drainage basin covers an area of about 63 lakh kilometer, or we can say that 35.5% of the South America continent. It is located in the countries of Bolivia, Brazil, Colombia, Ecuador, French Guiana, France, Guyana, Peru, Suriname, and Venezuela. As you can see, this is the map of Ganges basin, or we can say Ganga Brahmaputra basin. Now first, the Ganga Brahmaputra basin is situated at 10 degree north to 30 degree north in the subtropical region. The basin is formed as a result of many tributaries from the Ganga and Brahmaputra river. As the Ganges Brahmaputra basin draining at 10,86,000 square kilometer in Tibet, Nepal, India and Bangladesh. Now we are going deep in the Amazon basin. The Amazon river begins in the Andes mountain at the west in the basin with its main tributary the Maranoma river and Apurimac river in Peru. The highest point at the watershed of the Amazon is the second biggest peak of Yerupaja at 6,635 meters. It is the largest basin and is located in Peru with a length of about 6,400. Before it drains into the Atlantic Ocean, it is one of the two longest rivers in the world. The Amazon basin formerly flowed west to the Pacific Ocean until the Andes formed, causing the basin to flow eastward toward the Atlantic Ocean. Politically, the basin is divided into Peruvian legal Amazonia, Brazilian legal Amazonia, the Amazon region of Colombia and parts of Bolivia, Ecuador and the Venezuelan and state of Amazonas. The most widely spoken language in the Amazon are Portuguese and Spanish. As you can see, this is one of the picture of Amazon basin. Now we are going to know about Ganga Brahmaputra basin. It is the largest densely populated basin in the world. The Ganga Brahmaputra basin is also the fertile land of the subcontinent. To the north, the Himalayas or lower parallel ranges beyond the Ganges Brahmaputra divide. On the west, the Ganges basin borders the Indus basin and then the Aravalli ridge. Southern limits are the Vindhyas and Chota Nagpur plateaus. On the east of the Ganges merge with the Brahmaputra through a complex system of common distributaries into the Bay of Bengal. Its catchment lies in the state of Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Bihar, Rajasthan, West Bengal, Haryana, Himachal Pradesh, Delhi, Arunachal Pradesh, the whole of Bangladesh, Nepal and Bhutan. Several tributaries rise inside Tibet before flowing south through Nepal. The basin has a population of more than 500 million, making it the most populated river basin in the world. This is one of the pictures of Ganga Brahmaputra basin. The life of people in Amazon basin. Here, people cut a few trees and cultivate the land according to their needs and requirement. People live in a special kind of houses called maloka there. These houses have a steep slant roofs and are large and apartment-like in a shape. People also reside in houses that are identical to beehives and have thatched roofs over them. Since the settlements are in close proximity of forest, people find wood in abundance for their personal use. With passing technology and modernism, the life of people is slowly changing here as the human nature to develop and enjoy facility to their best. The advent of the transportation has helped in easy navigation through the basin. This is the picture of Amazon basin people. Type of occupation in Amazon basin. Men have occupation like fishing and hunting. It's women who take care of the crops and fields. The land being near the Amazon river is very fertile, which make it good for farming. People have generally grown crops like pineapple, tapokia, sweet potato, kassa, coffee, maize, and coca. We call them the cash crops. As already said, men practice fishing and hunting, which are uncertainly means of living. From taking care of field to feeding these families with the vegetable that they cultivate, women are responsible for their families' well-being. The indigenous people have been shifted to newer places so that they practice their distinctive skill of farming. This is the one picture of occupation in Amazon basin, or we can say farming. Now we are going to do wildlife in Amazon basin. About mammals first. We are knowing about mammals. There are more than 1,400 species of mammals that are found in the Amazon. The majority of these species are bats and rodents. Its larger mammals include the jaguar, owlet, capybara, puma, and South America tapir. About birds. About 1,500 bird species inhabit the Amazon basin. The biodiversity of the Amazon and the sheer number of diverse bird species is given by the number of different bird families that reside in these humid forests. Now we are knowing about reptiles. The green anaconda inhabits the shallow water of the Amazon, and emerald tree boa and boa constrictor live in the Amazonian tree tops. About amphibians, more than 1,500 species of amphibians swim and are found in Amazon. Unlike temperature frogs, which are mostly limited to habitats near the water, tropical frogs are most evident in these trees. In the trees, respectively, relatively few are found near bodies of water on the forest floor. This is one of the animals found in Amazon basin. This is also the vegetation of people in Ganga Brahmaputra basin. The basin shows a varied trend in vegetation which depend on the kind of landform around the basin. We find tropical deciduous trees alongside the Ganga river and the Brahmaputra. Some common trees are sal, teak, and peepal. The Brahmaputra's vein particularly is home to thick bamboo groves, while the delta region has plenty of mangrove forest. As we descend down the basin and reach Sikkim and Arunachal Pradesh, we find coniferous trees like deodar, pine, and fir. Since the temperature in these areas is comparatively cold here, the coniferous trees are present. Oh, sorry, there was some issue. You can see this is a picture of one of that place, Ganga Brahmaputra basin. That was wildlife in Ganga Brahmaputra basin. The Ganga Brahmaputra basin is a house to a varied wildlife as well. Tiger, elephant, deer, and monkey are the most common. Apart from these, one-horned rhinoceros, crocodile, and alligator and Bengali tiger are a common sight in the delta. Roha, Ilsa, Katla, and Susu, blind dolphin are the aquatic animals present in abundance in the rivers and lakes adjoining the basin. This is one Bengali tiger, second is crocodile, third is alligator. Transport in Ganga Brahmaputra basin. The basin has many diverse modes of transport, owning its own importance due to the adjoining and prominent cities. All the four modes of transport are present here. Ganga Brahmaputra basin has been witness to many generations of mankind in the subcontinent. Therefore, it is a splendid example of human interaction with the environment. Thank you and have a nice day. Please like, share, and subscribe this video.